In order to ensure that the entire process is done similarly at all the polling stations, a gigantic training effort has been undertaken by the Election Commission of India by training officers right down to booth-level officers by the Commission itself. The booth-level agents were also trained, of course, the police officers, the DEOs, the communication officers, and this capacity-building exercise had been piloted by India International Institute for Democracy and Election Management, IIIDM, which is run by the Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India also trains officers of more than 100 countries concurrently. In order to have a substantial dialogue and engagement with the stakeholders, the Commission adopted a consultative and collaborative approach by which more than 4,700 all-party meetings were held by all the returning officers, DEOs and CEOs of this country. Similarly, the Election Commission of India also invited all the national and state-level political parties to have such meetings, and more than 28 such meetings have already taken place. There has been national conference with legal councils and interactions with field-level beneficiaries, that is booth-level officers, EROs, DEOs, during the state visits. There have been other host of new initiatives which have been mentioned here, totaling to number 30. These slides will be there, and the Commission has been extremely proactive, transparent, efficient, and consultative in its approach to ensure that the experience of election is much, much more pleasant to our prime stakeholder, that is the elector. Considering that India has been the mother of democracies and the largest of them all, with the most transparent elections taking place, the international idea is now currently being chaired by India,